Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you lost your Roomba somewhere in your house and you were trying to find it and how you can locate it using the app. It's really simple. So we're just going to go into the app, and then from the app we're going to scroll down to Product Settings. And in Product Settings you'll see the second option on there is Locate Roomba. So we'll click on Locate Roomba, and now it's not locating it yet. But so you'll see that it says locate Roomba in your home by having it make a sound. So if the battery is dead, this won't work. If it's not connected to the Wi-Fi, it won't work. But if it's connected to the Wi-Fi and it has battery, like it got lost under a piece of furniture or something, if you just click the locate Roomba button, well, now it's not going to tell me because it's on the home base, but that will make your Roomba make sound, and you'll be able to find it from there. So anyways, that's all you need to do to find your Roomba from the app if you lost it. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.